In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can change your iCloud account on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to go to your settings app on your iPhone, and here you'll see your account center on the top. Simply click your account center and it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you have to scroll through to the bottom, and here you'll see the sign out option. Click this option over here. And then it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click erase this iPhone, or you can sign out but don't erase. You can choose whichever option suits you. And then once you choose the option, click continue. Now it's going to give you this pop-up over here, and click continue anyway. And now it's going to give you this page, and here you can see these items will be removed. Click continue again, and now you simply have to enter your password and then click confirm and sign out. Once you do so, you'll be able to log in with your new account, and you have to just enter the credentials for your new account and log in into your new account. And that's how you change your iCloud account on iPhone.